So today we're going to swap out the Megan Racing shifter I put in there last year for this VMS Racing one. I think this one looks cooler, but it'll be interesting to see which one feels better. And the height is the same. I don't know. Put this in, see how it looks. Start by taking out 4 screws here, and here. Take out the center console and pop this out. And then get under the car to take the rest. Alright, now that we got the center console out, and, well, this is out. I just want to show you. Chopped a little bit of the shift boot off because I want to be able to actually see the shifter, especially when it looks that nice. So we'll just tuck it in like that. I think that looks decently clean for what it is, instead of just completely open. But now we're going to take out everything. Take this off again, just to show you. Bam. Now we go right under the car. Drop all this and go from there. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, so we're going to be comparing the Megan Racing to the VMS Racing shifter. So immediate observation, the height from here to here, slightly longer on the Megan Racing, which, to each their own. With this being a little shorter, it will give you a bit more ground clearance with where the linkage sits, from the exhaust to here, because I had issues with scraping the exhaust would smack it into here. So we'll see how much of a difference that makes. The major difference is that this weighs about, what that feels like, 8 pounds or something. It's got a good weight to it. 5 to 8 pounds. Whereas this weighs like a pound. Listen to that. This feels like dropping a wrench, and this is just nothing. Weighs fuck all. So I feel like this is gonna, I'm worried this is gonna have a better feel and I'm gonna want to switch back, but going for hot boy points this summer, I guess. Keep this in for a bit, switch it back if I really hate it, even though crawling under the car fucking sucks. Alright, so gave this a quick clean, a little bit of paint, just to, you know, stop it from rusting more. We've got this piece, I wrapped some duct tape, fucking electrical tape, so that it's a little bit tighter. Hopefully we get zero play. So now we gotta grease this, slip that on there, shove her in that, put it back in. Alright, so cue time lapse, I guess. Alright, so we just got everything finished up in there. Well, I can't see from all, but you know, we got that done. And before we lower the car, we gotta make sure everything's good. Come in here. So this is through. Obviously, we need to pull the shift boot thingy there. That's fine. We'll deal with that in a second. So 3rd to 4th. Feels good. No play. It's not centering very well though. So first impressions, it doesn't really feel much worse than, or much different I should say, from the Megan Racing, honestly. Except for that outfit, it doesn't center too. Alright, so put this on. Started playing with it a little, and now it's it's centering better. Just needs about a little bit more lube in there and get that, you know, get that going. There's no movement. Happy with that, so let's put it back together to see what it looks like when it's really in the car. So, shifter's in. While I was here, I decided to take out the seat so I could paint these black and put a bit of paint here. It's still not perfect, obviously, but there is some little nicks there, and I'll make that better later. But anyway, here's the shifter. Got the knob on there, and it is really awesome. So notchy.